is Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So today I'm showing you I am getting a new update of UMT. They will you can unlock your latest FRP like Samsung Android version 12, 11, 9, 10 and 7 also on UMT dongle. So you can download from our website. The setup link is zero point 0.4 and the new model MTP ADB added here for FRP model. So I have already downloaded. So if you want to download, so you can come on our website Repair My Mobile and you can download. So first I want to unzip this setup. Yes, definitely will get. Open the file, again zip file, now again extract it. So these are our main setup. Install it first. Here you can unlock your FRP of Samsung latest Android version. That's why I'm showing, and it is latest update on UMT. So you can unlock. So first we have to install. So accept the agreement, click on next button. The features added. So new features added, ADB option for you have to dial star hash 0 star hash on emergency call and connect phone on mode and click for FRP unlock. Now click install. And this is our website. You can download the setup here. Now it is download, install on my system. Yeah, it's done. So you have to need emergency call, dial there and click next and finish setup, and you will get a shortcut icon automatically, and it will launch soon on my desktop screen. So this is your setup of Samsung 0.4 latest version of Samsung tool of UMT. Go on tools tab. Here you will get the option is ADV mode. Click on ADV mode and select your model. If don't have any model, you click directly on reset FRP and connect to phone on. So FRP method, there is a new method. Click on bypass. Directly you can unlock. Here your FRP method. If you have opened, you can click. Otherwise, click enable ADV mode and bypass click and connect your phone with on mode. And have you done already star has 00 head, it will detect your port and unlock your phone. So these are new method. You can unlock your FRP of Samsung latest version. Any model you can unlock of Samsung. Thank you very much for watching.